Hello.
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 How are you today?
I am good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. What would you like to speak about today in the free conversation?
Hello.
Hello?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Hello.
Hello? Hello?
Hello. Yes, I can hear you now.
Can you hear me?
Yes. How are you today? Are you good?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you today?
I am good as well.
Good. What would you like to speak about in the free conversation, Wakaz?
Did you remember my name?
Yes.
That's great. Last time, I think we were discussing about the something. If I can remember that. Yes, we were talking about the British accent. Did you remember?
The British accent, yes, and trying to understand the different accents that there are. Mm-hmm.
Yes. So,
And
if we can practice today British accent for the alphabetic letters.
of course, is there a course on here that you would like to choose, or would you just like me to put it in the box? What thing are you having trouble with?
You can put in the box here, so I can repeat after you.
Okay, so
If I pronounce the wrong, you have to make it correct.
okay, that's fine. So do you want to go through the letters of the alphabet?
Yes.
Okay, so the first letter is A.
A.
Okay, A.
A.
But the pronunciation of it is A.
Ah. Ah. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Ah.
B.
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 Ba.
B.
Ba.
C.
C.
K.
Ka. C. Cat. Like cat.
Like cat. Mm-hmm. D.
D. Like dog. Right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. D. E.
E. Elephant.
Mm-hmm. Like elephant, correct. Letter F.
F. Future.
Mm-hmm. Future. Mm-hmm. G.
G.
G. God.
Go. God.
H.
H. House.
H.
H.
House. Mm-hmm. I.
I.
Like igloo.
Like igloo. Okay.
Igloo.
International like that.
Mm-hmm. So when you say that, you have to pronounce the th. It's not that. It's that.
That.
Mm-hmm. So you're kind of putting your tongue behind your front teeth, and you're saying that.
That.
Correct.
That.
Mm-hmm. Letter J.
J.
J for Julia.
Ja. Julia. J. Julia.
Mm-hmm. That's correct. J. L.
L. Life.
Life. Life. Mm-hmm.
Life. La.
What's the next letter?
J. K. L. I think
Oh, yeah,
miss K.
Mm-hmm. K.
K. King.
King. Mm-hmm. Next letter.
M.
Give me a word.
Mango. Do you like mangoes?
Yeah, they're okay.
Is available in London?
Yeah, we get them imported. Mm-hmm.
Because I heard about the London weather is always nippy and cold.
Yeah, but we get a lot of fruit imported from other countries. I don't know if we get anything imported from Saudi Arabia. I'm not sure if they
think about Pakistan.
Or Pakistan. What would you get what would you get from Pakistan?
In Pakistan, orange, mangoes, grapes, peach.
What about vegetables?
Yes, vegetables, okra, cauliflowers, and eggplant. It's called brinjal.
Brinjal.
Yes, as well as lot of other vegetables available there.
And that comes to England.
Might be. Also, it's here in Saudi Arabia, all vegetables imported from the outside because this is the land of deserts,
So what do you think is Pakistan's biggest export to other countries?
Rice. I think rice and during the summer mangoes. As well as textiles. In Pakistan, there is a lot of textile industries about to making the jeans.
To make jeans?
Yes.
Like the clothing?
Clothing.
Okay, that's interesting.
There is a big textile industry inside the Pakistan.
So is the economy quite good in Pakistan?
Yes, it's good if politicians did not enter into the corruption. You remember last time I told you Mr. Nawaz Sharif, he's living in London. This Mayfair field.
Yeah, you didn't expand on what he'd done to corrupt the government. Would you like to expand on that?
Well, what we can say about that to expand? But they are earning money through the corruption.
How?
For instance, nowadays they did a big project in Pakistan. It's a metro train city in Lahore. You can Google metro train in Lahore. So might be if this project is for the 10 million or 10 billion estimated cost, but they will spend their 100 million.
They'll spend 100 million.
Yes, if project has cost 100 million, then they will prepare the BQ, bill of quantity, for the 100 million. After that, they spend the 10 million and other 18 million they will put in their pocket.
Oh, so it will be a job worth a lot of money.
Yes.
But they'll keep all that money and only put $1 million budget towards it. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, they increase the budget. For example, if you can buy one pen from the London with the £10 for your office and you are working in a minister office, and once you are going to submit the invoice and you can submit the invoice with the £100, so means you did the corruption for the £90.
Oh, I see. Okay, so it's quite known.
Yes, it's quite
well known about his corruption.
Yes.
And was he popular? Was he a popular prime minister?
5 times he ruled on us in Pakistan for the past 25 years.
And what was your view of him?
He's spending money on the people, but he's doing a lot of corruption.
But apart from the corruption, did he run the country in a way that you appreciated?
No, I cannot appreciate it to him. How can I appreciate it to him if he is doing corruption? In Pakistan, we are engineers. Engineers earning in Pakistan might be $1,000. And they are paying to doctors. Study of engineers and doctors are equal.
What? Sorry?
Engineers and doctors' studies are equal. They are studying equal level.
Equal.
Yes, if one engineer have to graduate, he have to take classes for the 4 years after their intermediate education.
Oh, I see.
Same like doctors, but doctor have 5 years, but they are paying to the doctors once they are free from the university. They have home job for the 1 year. They are paying them approximately $1,000 to $2,000 like this. And once one engineer after graduated from the university, they are paying to him, maybe him or her, maybe $500 or $300.
Oh, wow. But what's the currency like in Pakistan to the dollar?
United States, 165 rupees equal to $1.
165 rupees. Okay. So is food expensive in Pakistan?
Yes. Sorry. Everything is expensive in Pakistan nowadays. Inflation rate is at its increasing level nowadays.
Oh, okay. So how much would it cost for a 3-course meal approximately?
It's a 3-course meal approximately might be, if you are eating good food, it's like 1,000 to 2,000 rupees in Pakistani in a day. It's like normal. I am asking about the normal man, not high level food.
So you're saying that's the approximate normal amount.
Normal amount. If someone spend at home for their families like 7 to 8 members. Okay. So should we go back to the alphabet? Yes. We have to finish this. Sorry for that. Why I am checking this? Because we studied at college and university. This alphabetic letters. But today I am checking where I am wrong, because last time I did a session with one tutor from the Australia. So I was talking with her about the one topic, and I asked something. I assumed that.
What? So you spoke with another tutor from Australia and you got confused about the accent, did you mean?
No. So I can ask you something. I assume that Miss Emily is very good tutor. So where I am wrong?
Sorry, I don't understand. What do you mean?
If I can say one thing, like for instance, Miss Emily is a great tutor for me, I assume that.
I assume that. Are you asking about the pronunciation?
Yes. I was talking like I assume.
Oh, you assume that. You used the word I assume that and it was incorrect.
Assume. I was using assume, not assume.
And it's assume,
yes,
not assume.
Yes. So later on she make it correct. It's I assume that.
But I'm a bit confused because you mentioned that you have other tutors, but it doesn't come up on the lesson history. It just comes up to say that this is your first lesson.
No, I have 2-3 accounts here.
Oh, yeah, because it always comes up with a different account. But usually the student, where you can see how many lessons they've done. But it always comes up just first lesson.
Yes, because I have many accounts here.
Oh.
That's why I am asking.
Oh, okay. How come? So you don't just have one account?
Because always I got some promotions and some discount.
Oh, I see. So every time you create an account, there's a promotion or something.
Yes, I got some promotions and some discount for the lessons.
Oh, I see. Okay. So you've noticed a difference in accents between the different tutors?
Yes, there is some difference between Serbian accent, Australian accent, also British accent. Also, there is one tutor from United States of America. Also, there is some difference between them.
Mm-hmm.
But it's right for me. Just I am correcting myself. Even accent is different, but I was pronouncing the wrong. Always we were pronouncing this. I assume that I will go there or I will do something. But the sentence was I assume that.
So you used, so with assume, you used a Z sound, a Z,
Yes.
assumed, and it's assumed. Okay, so how would you say this word?
Presume, but we pronounce it presume.
Yeah, the accent from places like India or Pakistan, it's almost like the S sound becomes a Z sound.
Yes.
Yeah. But yeah, you're correct. It's definitely with a S sound.
Yes.
So which accents have you found the most difficult to understand out of your tutors?
Sometimes this is New Zealand and Australia.
Why?
Might be they are pronouncing very fast.
So it's more about the speed of the conversation rather than the words.
Might be. We can say that.
I think it's definitely important to learn English and practice English with a variety of accents, because definitely in many countries there are so many people who speak English, but there are so many nationalities. I have students that have lived in Australia and they speak good English, but the Australian accent is very difficult for them to understand.
Yes. That's why I told you. Because your accent is very good. Also, I can understand in better way always.
Yeah, it's clear, I suppose.
Yes, it's clear.
Mm-hmm.
It's clear
Okay.
that for me.
Good. Okay, so let's carry on with the alphabet. What's
Okay.
next? M.
N for network.
Okay, so pronounce that a little bit clearer. N.
Network.
Work. Yeah. Well done. Next letter.
O.
O.
Mm-hmm. Option.
Option. Mm-hmm. So the ending of the word, okay, in the British accent, it's like a lighter emphasis. It's shun, option, not option, it's option. Mm-hmm. It's lighter.
Option.
Yeah, exactly. Option. Mm-hmm.
You
It's
already
a shush.
visited India. Might be you heard there people of Asian. They always called it option. I have option.
It's quite, I think, in the Indian accent that I was used to when I have also Indian friends. They pronounce the shun in a very strong way, which gives away where they're from. So a British way of saying it is lighter on the emphasis. Mm-hmm. Option, yeah, perfect. Next letter.
S sign.
Hold on one second. Let's see.
O-P. Q. Question.
P. Let's do P again.
P for Pakistan.
Pakistan. Mm-hmm.
But we in Pakistan we pronounce it P for Pakistan.
P for Pakistan. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
But in Pakistan we pronounce it P for Pakistan, not like Pakistan. It's me always try to be pretended. It's Pakistan. I am from Pakistan.
Oh, wait. So what does a Pakistani person say? What?
P, Pakistan.
P for Oh, so you would say Pakistan.
Pakistan.
And we would say Pakistan.
Yes.
Around
the word, native people say that Pakistan.
Right. And the British emphasis is on the last part of that sentence. Part of that word, sorry. Pakistan.
Pakistan.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Next letter. After P.
O-P. M-N-O-P. Q. Q for question.
Q.
Yes, Q.
Mm-hmm. Q sound. Question. Okay.
Q question.
Mm-hmm.
Q question.
Question.
I have to do hard work on that.
Try. How would you pronounce that?
Quest.
Quest.
Yes, quest.
Do you know what quest means?
I heard this word, but I did not remember right now. Quest.
So, if someone is on a quest, what are they doing?
Still, I did not remember this word. Question. Quest.
So if I'm on a quest to find jewelry, quest to find gold.
Oh, I found it. Quest. Search something, right?
It's like a quest is like a mission. So
not it's equal to search or searching something.
So repeat that for me.
It's not equal to searching something.
Yeah, it is. It's so a mission or a search. It's if I said I'm on a quest to find the gold in the desert, I'm on a mission. I'm on a search. So you would say I'm on a quest. You wouldn't use that in everyday language, but if you read it and you see that someone has said, I'm on a quest to find, I don't know, the gold. I'm on a quest to find the reward. It's a mission. It's a search.
I am on quest to find the gold.
I am on a quest. I am on a quest.
I am on a quest to
Correct.
Find the gold.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. What comes after Q?
Q, P, Q, R.
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 What sound?
R.
What sound? But what sound is it? So the letter is R, but what sound?
R, rural.
R. So R sound.
R sound. Okay. R, rural.
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 Rustic areas.
Rustic.
Rustic areas. Rural, rustic areas.
That's correct.
Material.
Yep, that's correct. The next letter.
Revenge as well.
Revenge. Next letter.
R, Q, R, S.
So
S for sense, sensation.
See if you can pronounce this. Hold on.
She sells seashells on the seashore. I think this is tongue twister, right?
Yeah, I was going to say there's a lot of tongue twisters in the English language. So this is one of them. There are some there's lots of them actually.
Yes.
But it can be.
I was watching some vlogs online on Facebook about English tongue twisters. She sells seashells on the seashore.
Yeah, that's one of them. Yeah, there's quite a few. I don't remember them off the top of my head, but yeah, there's definitely quite a few tongue twisters that you can look at in your spare time, and it's good to do that because it forces you to pronounce the words correctly. Okay. We've got about 30 seconds left, so next letter.
T for telephone.
T for telephone, correct?